What happens if Microsoft's region goes down, which it has and does occasionally? If I have not also deployed to a secondary region, there's no failover for me. That's a risk. Maybe I'm choosing to accept that risk. The truth is I can actually treat every single risk differently. I could accept the risk, meaning maybe I'm okay with paying less money and hoping Microsoft Azure doesn't go down in one of the regions. I could also avoid the risk. Maybe I stop using Azure altogether for whatever reason. Maybe I transfer the risk to a third party who's going to manage it for me. Or maybe I mitigate the risk, possibly by paying the extra money and having Azure duplicated to another region. The point is defining each and every risk in your organization and thinking about how are you going to treat that risk is a really important part of your cybersecurity posture, because by looking at a certain risk, you may decide you need to buy a new new technology, product, or possibly build a new process in order to lower the risk to a reasonable level while also aligning to your business goals. So a lot of these compliance platforms allow you to define what's called a risk register. You put all your risks in, you define the impact of that risk, the likelihood that risk might happen, and then you document what you're going to do in a treatment plan for that risk. Am I going to avoid it? Am I going to transfer it? Am I going to mitigate it? Or am I going to accept the risk?